My name's Nick, and in today's video we're going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board for this Hisense TV with model number 75H6570G. The first thing we're going to want to do is lay the TV screen facing down on our workbench. We're going to start by removing these screws on the right side of the TV where the main board is located, and we're going to start with these two screws over here. And the reason we are starting with those two is because they are coarse threaded. They are the only two that are different than the rest, so we'll separate these away from the other screws. Next, we're going to do the perimeter screws. Don't forget this one over here. Now we're going to shift over to the left side. And now we should be able to remove the back cover. For the back cover removal, we should be able to now just wiggle the cover off, and here we are. Now that we've exposed the main board, let's show you how to properly remove it. We're going to start by pinching the top clip over here and wiggling it out. For this ribbon, we're going to want to lift the black latch, just like that, and then wiggle out the ribbon. For our speakers, same thing, we're going to press down on the top clip and wiggle it out. Same with this one over here. And then we have another latch, which again, we're going to lift it up, just like that, and then we can wiggle out the ribbon. Finally, we can remove the screws, and the main board lifts right off. If we wanted to take this one step further, we can remove the shroud by pinching away the clips and wiggling it off. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix this circuit board, you can check out this video next. If you want to send it in for us to fix it for you, we do offer flat rate services with a 1-year warranty, and there will be links to our website. That'll be in the description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.